Hi everyone, my name is Jill Joy. Welcome to Victuals. This is going to be the first episode of Victuals testing recipes. Out of the first edition, we have chosen a recipe and that is named stuffed steamed fish. Let me show you what it looks like in the magazine. Doesn't it look lovely? We have chosen red snapper and I am going to take you step by step as is written in the magazine. So shall we go to the kitchen and try it out? Let's go.
Let's talk about the recipe I've chosen, and it looks absolutely delicious. We chose the fish red snapper. This is what a real red snapper looks like. You can see it's pretty red. And that's also the reason why they call it red snapper. Huh. Could you believe it? There is another fish that looks exactly alike. Don't be afraid to use that one because they taste similar. That fish is called lean fish. Mix everything into one bowl, and to bring it up to taste, we're gonna add some pepper and some salt. And I prefer black pepper because it enhances the flavor, and I use sea salt because I think that it's exquisite. I love it. So just add some, not too much because this one is grounded black pepper. And not too much salt, even though I love salt. We're gonna mix it again. And can't you see that it looks beautiful? Can't you see that it looks absolutely beautiful? I think it looks beautiful, don't you? This is the filling. We're gonna go to the sauce. That's next. So right now we're gonna start with the sauce. The sauce needs chopped shallots, and we've chopped it already, so you can see how pretty it looks. Can you see it? Yes, you can. And we will add olive oil, just a tablespoon. We will add honey, just a tablespoon. We will add this is white wine that is about 238 milliliters. Salt and pepper for taste, and I'm going to use the extra fine salt and the white pepper this time. What we also need is the lime juice, about half a squeeze, half a lime. I'm just using this one. That's about 2 or 3 squeezes. And cornstarch mixed up with water. So we'll mix it again because I made it beforehand. Right now, the first thing we're gonna do is fry the shallots. In my country, we call it lala, and lala means raw. We don't want the fish to taste raw. So we add a little bit, of salt and pepper just for taste. Not too much, because remember the filling has black pepper and salt, and the sauce already has white pepper and salt. So right now we're gonna cut it into 2 pieces, in half. Cut it a bit further, and we are going to add our filling. Not too much. Let's start with this. Add a little more. And then you add the other part right on top of it. So it's pierced. This is what it looks like. So we are gonna transfer these beautiful babies into the pan and then leave it there for about 10 minutes. Doesn't it look beautiful? I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I put the fire, well, not the fire, I put the stove a little bit lower so it wouldn't boil too much. So I'm gonna put it a little bit higher now, so it can simmer. There you go. And then we are gonna put this lid right on top of it. Voila. I am curious, I just want to see what it looks like. Ah, it's pretty. Let's just leave it like that. Okay?